Very good morning, everyone. Charles here with Fergrant. Just a minute past London open at this time. Taking a look at Euro USD. What you would see initially is the tremendous bullish daily candle that occurred yesterday. So predominantly looking on all time frames, of course, we are bullish. But with that said, what goes up must come down. So if we focus really initially on the daily time frame and look for a point of interest that we could use as confluence for a potential short from, we got the previous daily high in terms of wicks. And as I always say, wicks like to get filled. So what I'm really looking for throughout the lower time frames, for the daily candle just to pop up to, where's that gone? Just to pop up to these highs. That's the previous daily high. So you can see it around about there. So just pop up into this previous daily high as I've illustrated here. Look for a lower time frame break of structure before going short. Here is our move as well that we can see on the 15-minute time frame. This would be quite an aggressive break of structure. When taking the reversal trade, I like initially to be trading from a higher time frame point of interest if it's available. At this moment, we only have the 1 hour order block left up at the highs created this morning. However, with that said, if we could get a snap of what I've called here the key structure point, because in terms of structure, we're looking at higher highs and higher lows, higher highs being created. So here lies really the key point that I would like to see broken before looking for a sell upon a retest of the point of interest at the top. So initially, price action is moving in the direction that I want it to. I'd like it to break this area, pull back into an imbalance that's already there on the 15-minute time frame and the hour that is yet to be mitigated. So when price gets into that area, I'd be more than happy to be looking for an immediate short position for a reversal trade on Euro USD. Not much to talk about, to be honest, on the 4 hour. There's no point of interest on the 4 hour. All we can see is that yesterday was completely bullish throughout the entire day. 1 hour, again, as I said, there's a 1 hour order block left at the highs, which aligns nicely with the previous daily high. So if we are going to be getting into a short position from the top here, we'll be looking to cover the previous daily highs, because as I've just said, it's very likely that wicks do get filled. So at this moment, it's looking at quite a big stop loss, to be honest, if we're going to be taking the trade up here. Potential targets at least here. So to be honest, what we'd be looking to do is refine these order blocks to take our stop loss to just 10 pips on Euro US dollar. So in an ideal scenario, price would come up to these highs, give us a lower time frame break of structure on the 1 minute. We'll look for a smaller imbalance on that 1 minute and then look for the sell. So how that's going to play out on the 1 minute, price will come up into the area, give us a lower time frame break of structure. I've drawn it exaggerated for illustrative purposes. OB left at the highs. We'll have our position like that. There's a stop loss that we need. Come down to fill. So that's the play that I'm more happy to wait for, simply based on stop loss placement. So that's the play at the moment on Euro US dollar. If price comes straight back up without breaking, I would require to be waiting for this scenario to play out. If price breaks and pull back, I'd be happy to take it immediately on a sell limit. We'll see how that plays out. Thank you very much. That's Charles.